Hey everybody, Pete Hendricks here. Shave Soap and Splash are our two biggest sellers. Interestingly, I haven't used Splash in years. I use EDP. But you say, you love the burn from Splash. No problem. Get inexpensive white rum and use it. Sound crazy? We would use it for our Splash if it were legal. It has less smell than the grain alcohol does. And here's the thing. Parfum, Splash, whiskey, and other liquors are all made with the same kind of alcohol, which is ethanol. Inexpensive white rum, as I mentioned, has very little smell, so you won't smell like you've been drinking. Now, getting back on topic. Parfum delivered via a sprayer is far superior for frag application compared to Splash. It allows greater control over where you apply. I put it on my arms and down my back, and then that way I don't become nose blind and I can enjoy it. Parfum has nothing extra to impact the fragrance quality, and Splash can do that. Atomizing via sprayer provides better, more even coverage with less product, which means you get more bang for your buck. Our Parfum delivers a stronger fragrance that lasts longer. So, you might try a 15 milliliter EDP with your next soap purchase so you can decide for yourself. Thank you.